Okay, so this is the virtual reality application for inspection training. There is two main modes. The first one is adventures and then inspection. In the adventure menu we can see, as in the video, in this mode you can explore an entire deck of the ship. You can see information about firefighting appliances by interacting with the objects. And in the inspection mode, in this mode you must find all the firefighting appliances object and fulfilling the inspection report. You can check the object finding and inspection reports in menu. Then the other feature is there's exit button, and then menu button, and then help button. We tried the first one is help. In this help there is two features: control, credit, and mute sounds. To mute the sound effect, please press the checklist. Then we can see the control. There is an instruction of the remote control of remote VR. As we can see, this joystick is for direction movement. And then C button for main menu, show maps and show hint. And then the front button is for interact with the object. Then credits, it's about information about this application. The creator by Aknil Putra Madali, supervisor is Mr. Putri Kapitana and Hari Prastowo. This application is product of laboratory marine operation and engineering. Okay, to go back to main menu, we press menu button. Then we try inspection. Okay, we press the front button to select the menu. After we choose it, we click it, the front button in the remote. There's a loading sign. Okay, this is the first layout of this application. There is a view of the ships, and then okay, we move the direction by press the remote button, and then we have to find all the firefighting appliances. As we can see, we can find the first one is, for example, manual operated call point, fire extinguisher, and then fireman outfit, and then there's the others. Okay, for example, we found one manual operated call point. There is a explanation about actual condition of this manual operated call point, and we can analyze it, and then we can report it in the final report later. Manual operated call point weekly test by crew and properly working. Okay, after after we analyze, we close it, and then we find the other objects. For example, fire extinguisher. The actual condition is 1. Pressure gauge in work condition. The body condition a little bit corrosion, and then placed in a period with fire plan. You can also see the certificate. Okay, you can analyze the certificate. This is the instruction that we have to find all these objects in this room, in this accommodation room, by pressing the button in the remote. And we found that another point, fire extinguisher. And then we find fire hose. This is the actual condition. Then we find fire hydrants, leakage around the flange and seals. Those are in working conditions. Okay, we will walking around the third deck. This is the main. Okay, we are going to the main decks. And this is the main deck. In the main deck we can find fire hydrants, fire hose, and as you can see there's a container. Okay, this is the engine room. We found, what is it? This is a water fog applicator. And the actual condition, we are going to, what is it? This is this is the main engine, and then bilge pump. Bilge pump or general surface pump is working properly, but there is a leakage in the packing bearing. Okay, now we are going to the engine control room. This is engine control room. Corridor, there is some fire affecting appliances. Now we are in the steering gear room. We can find fire hose and fire hydrant again. We are trying to escape the room, go to the main decks. Okay, this is the main decks. And now we are on the main decks. After for example, we find all the perfecting appliances, and then we can press the menu. We try to fill the inspection report. This is the object that we have found, all the objects in the entire ships. To fill the inspection report, we press the inspection and then choose the inspection report. Okay, and then open question, and then there is some question regarding the inspection. For example, is the vessel provided with the fixed perfect equipment in accordance with applicable regulation for vessel type? We can choose the answers by click, or we can fill the comment. Okay, we choose it first, and then next is the certificate from each firefighting equipment available. Partially certificate is available. Okay, and the next question is, are records of firefighting equipment maintenance available? Are the vessel personnel familiar with the operation of the firefighting life-saving man? Okay, choose it. Are the measures in place to effectively isolate ventilation to it close? For example, we choose our own comments. Example, we choose no. After finish, we press back and then submit.